All right, Joe Kobelago here again. So, I just want to make this final video, okay, that has to do with talking about stock market, crypto market, and the Trump tariff, okay. I did the first video saying that it's Black Friday in the crypto market and the stock market, so you should go shopping once you have cash that is set aside, okay, for investment, okay. And secondly, the second video I talked about the tariff plan having a long-term positive effect on the crypto and the stock market, okay. Then this video I want to say specifically to differentiate, okay, between the economy performance of the economy, okay, and the stock market. All right. And now the media, okay, the media likes talking about the stock market rather than talking about the economic indices that benefit the large majority of the people in any country. Rather, they focus on the small, okay, they focus on the stock market and any capital market that impacts the wealthy. And that's why you see them talking about the stock market every day, performance, it did this, it did that. Okay? So, let me say this. The stock market is not the economy of a country. Okay? Because if you look right now, crypto is down, not all the way down. Stock market is down because of companies adjusting to the tariff and some of them making plans to move to the US. Okay? Does that mean that the economy is bad? No. Why? Because the company is moving to US, for example, I'm talking about US market. The company is moving to the US, we create a job market that impacts the lives of the middle class and the lower class. So which means cost of goods will come down, food items will come down, there'll be more money for people to be able to afford rent, and then people will end up having assets or enough funds for them to start venturing into the stock market or the crypto market. Okay, so let me give you an analogy that Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, gave. Okay, he said that when the stock price of Amazon dipped down, I think it went down to as low as $6. Okay, when the stock market of Amazon went down to as low as $6, that when he looked at the performance of the company and he checked every metric that has to do with Amazon as a company, all those metrics were high. And if you look at Tesla, yes, Tesla stocks is down, but Tesla is selling Teslas every day. Even more now that people are trying to attack Tesla owners, and it is giving more people courage to go and buy more Teslas. Okay, even guys that don't like electric vehicles will definitely buy Teslas because to support Elon Musk and what he's doing in cutting spending, government spending. Are you get what I'm saying? So the metrics of the company is doing well, the stock is not doing well. Let me bring it home to what I'm doing with Alogio Coin. Okay, we have Alogio Coin is a cryptocurrency backed by real estate properties. Okay, now if you want capital appreciation, you can buy, hold, trade. Okay, if that's your purpose. If you want to buy Alogio property tokens and earn from the rental income, are you gonna say you can do that? So when you look at the market price of Alogio Coin and you say, hey, the price of Alogio Coin is down, but when you look at the real estate portfolio side, we all know that real estate appreciates in value. We all know that aside real estate appreciating in value, okay, aside real estate appreciating in value, the rental income tends to go up every 3 to 4 years. Are you get what I'm saying? So with that in mind, will I focus on trying to prop the price, or should I focus on ensuring that Alogio Coin portfolio, real estate portfolio, keeps growing by ensuring that the rent is paid on time. When it's time to increase rent is increased. When it's time to increase the number of properties, the number of properties has to increase. So you find out that there is a little bit disconnect between sometimes, not all the time, sometimes there's a little bit disconnect between the performance of a company and the token or the share of the company. And when you now look at the economy of a company, of a country, when you now take it to the country level, you find out that the performance of the stock market most times does not show the performance of the economy. And right now in the US, the metrics for measuring the economy are on the bright and on the high side. Why the stock market is down? So it's basically at this point, it's almost like money is moved. So basically at this point, okay, everybody is benefiting because long term the wealthy will benefit from the stock market because they are now buying more shares on the cheap. Okay, the middle class will enjoy because they now have enough money to cater with their basic needs, and then they can go and invest in things like crypto and stock market. And lastly, the lower class will have the opportunity to move up to the middle class and for their basic needs before they now start thinking about investing. So, to end this, okay, the stock market, okay, performance is not the same with the performance of any country's performance or any company's performance. It's basically, stock market is more like, monitoring your blood pressure, okay? Sometimes things are going good and you're enjoying life, but the blood pressure is high. Does it mean you're you're not having a good life? No. But it might be high because maybe you are sick or you need to treat yourself or something like that. So I'm just trying to make everybody, the common man, understand the point I'm trying to make. Stock market is not a representation of the performance of any country or any company's economy. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.